Good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening. We are starting the lesson. We are starting Unit 7 in Grade 9 English, Unit 7. In Unit 7, the whole unit will be discussed by another teacher. I am going to do only the grammar lesson. Turn to page 77. Page 77. Now, in this grammar unit, we are going to talk about, earlier we discussed about passive voice. I think you got the video and you participated, few of you participated the lesson, that is passive voice past. In my previous lesson I did. Here, today we are doing passive voice future tense. How to use passive voice in future tense. Right? Under that, I am going to tell you how to turn an active sentence into passive voice, future, then how to make questions, then how to make negative form, negative statements, how to form negative statements in passive voice, future. So the first one, that is, let's turn the sentences into passive voice, active sentences into passive voice. See, this is an active voice sentence. She will play tennis tomorrow. She will play tennis tomorrow. Or we will play tennis tomorrow. The subject is she, we. I am revising active voice, future tense. This you know. In future tense, we put will. Will is common for all the sentences in passive future tense. And whether it's a singular subject or plural subject, it doesn't matter. You can put will. Then play. Play is the basic form, the base form of the verb. That is, we call infinitive. See, subject plus will plus infinitive. Infinitive means the base form of the verb, like go, eat, cry, decide, or accept, anything, right? Base form, correct. In any verb, the base form, that is what we call infinitive. So, in the active voice, this is the structure. Will is common for all. Subject is doing the action. The subject, she, we, they are doing the action. Now, let's see how we can form this to passive voice. This is future tense, don't forget. If you want to highlight the object, earlier one, she will play tennis. The tennis is the object. Tennis is the object. She is the subject. Play is the verb. Here we bring the verb, the object to the front of the sentence. The object is brought to the forward of the sentence. That is tennis. Tennis will be. There is a new part you have to add. Not only will be is added. In passive voice, will be. See, object plus will be plus past participle. Earlier it said will play. Here the play becomes played. Played means the past participle of the play. So whenever you want to turn an active voice sentence into passive voice sentence in future tense, first bring the object to the front, then add will be, then turn the verb into past participle. Later, if you want to mention about the doer, it's not necessary, but if you want to mention the doer, you can add with using by her. See, object will be past participle. Look at my second example. This is my second example. They will ask 2 questions. They will ask two questions. This is the active voice sentence because the subject they have they. That is the subject. Subject is doing the work. Work is done by the subject. Subject is the doer. So this is an active voice sentence. How are we going to turn this to passive voice? Here, the object is not the questions, the two questions. The two questions are the object. This whole thing, this whole phrase need to be brought to the front. Two questions. Two questions are brought to the front. Then will be, I said earlier, you have to add will be as a new part, will be. Then ask become asked. Asked. That is the past participle of ask. Ask, past participle asked. Two questions will be asked. Two questions will be asked by them. That is not necessary, but if you want to tell by whom, you can put by them. Even without by them, the sentence is complete. Two questions will be asked, or two questions will be asked by them. Okay, children. Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Now look.
Teacher.
Look at this one. See, here, this is the, again I am revising. This is the active voice sentence. Singular, plural. Any noun can be put here. Noun or pronoun can be put here. See, I, we, you, she, they, he, Mala, etc., etc. Right? Anything can be put here, a noun or a pronoun here as the subject. Then will take the bus to Kandy. I will take the bus to Kandy. That is the active voice sentence. So, how are we going to turn this to passive voice? As I told you earlier, the object, what is the object? The bus to Kandy. The bus to Kandy, this is the object. The object is taken to the front. See, that is taken to the subject portion. Object to the subject. The bus to Kandy is the object. Then, as I told you earlier, will be is added. Will be. The bus to Kandy will be take. The participle of take becomes taken. Will be taken. The bus to Kandy will be taken by. Here, this is what I want you to know from this example. I, we, you, she, they, he, these all are subject pronouns. Except Mala. Not Mala, the others are subject pronouns. These subject pronouns are brought here by, they change to the object pronouns. This I becomes me. The bus will be taken by me. Then we becomes us. You, the same. She, her, by her. They, if you put they will take the bus to Kandy, then you have to say the bus to Kandy will be taken by them. He will take the bus to Kandy. Then you have to put the bus to Kandy will be taken by him. Mala, that is not a pronoun. So that is a pure noun. So you have to put Mala as the same name by Mala. If you put Mala as the subject, then the same name is here. Right? So remember, the pronouns in the subject question changes when they become to the object question. Right. Now children, I am going to give you some activity. If you have a piece of paper, or you have to do this exercise on your notebook. Right, later you can do, but good if you have a pencil and a paper, so you can turn this sentence into passive voice, passive future quickly. I'll give you time. Right, let's try the first one. We will prepare dinner. Now turn this to passive voice. I'll give you 2 minutes. Hurry up. Okay, what's the answer? Few of you can unmute the microphone and tell me.
Miss, the answer should be
prepare dinner, yes?
yeah, the dinner will be prepared by us.
Yes, the dinner will be prepared by us. See, the dinner comes to the front, will be is added, prepare becomes prepared. Okay, let's go to the second one quickly. He will beat the dog.
The dog will be beaten by him.
There is a mistake you did. Beat, what is the participle form? Past participle, beat.
By
Bet.
No,
Bet.
not bet.
the dog will be beat by
Beat, beaten, beaten.
The dog will be beaten by him.
Yes. The dog will be beaten by him. Shall we move to the next one? Okay.
Yeah, okay, Miss.
Doctors will give advice for corona pandemic.
Corona pandemic will be given by doctors.
Miss,
You made
Miss
a
answer
mistake.
should be.
Children, there you
Miss,
have to find the correct object. Find the correct object.
Yeah, Miss. Miss, the answer should be the corona pandemic advices will be given by doctors.
Yes. Now see. Okay. You might have got the correct answer. See, doctors, the subject. Will shows the future. This is the verb give. Given, give. You give what? The doctors give what, children? What do the doctors give? What do the doctors give? Advice.
They give the advices for corona pandemic.
Advice for corona pandemic.
Okay. What is the object then? What is the object? Advice.
For
Advice.
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 Advice. See? Advice will be given by doctors for corona pandemic. Or you can take the whole phrase. See? Advice for corona pandemic will be given by doctors. Even that is okay. If you take this whole part, advice for corona pandemic, you can take that as the object phrase. Or you can take only advice. Advice is the object. Advice will be given by doctors for corona pandemic. Okay, let's move to the next one. Students will wear masks to school.
Miss, the answer. Can I say the answer, Miss?
Okay, sure.
The mask will be worn by the students to school.
Yes. Okay, I'll give some more time for the others to catch up.
Marks will be wear to school by students.
Where, what is, you have to turn that to past participle, where? What is the past participle of wear?
Wo.
Worn.
Mask will be
Worn. Worn. So,
Masks will be worn by students to school.
very good. Masks will be worn by students to school. Masks will be worn by students to school. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Only 5. I will give you money to buy a camera. I will give you money to buy a camera.
Can I say the answer?
Okay,
Miss,
who
can I
is
say the
that?
answer?
Yes.
You will give me money to buy the camera.
Hmm. No. What is the answer?
Money.
Money.
money to buy a camera
Ah, yes.
will be
Money
Money is
will be given by you to buy.
gave by me to buy a camera.
Okay, children.
Given.
Just don't worry,
Given.
right?
Should be given. Miss.
Whenever there is a sentence, you have to find the object first. What is the
Money
object?
will be
here? Money or camera?
given to buy a camera.
What is given? What is given? Come on. Yes, what is given?
Money.
Money.
Yes? Money. Money is given. So money should come to the front. Money then will be.
Money
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
given
Given.
money will be given by me you to buy a camera.
By you
Money will be
to buy a
Money
camera.
will
Yes, see.
given by a camera.
Money will be given to you to buy a camera by me. Or you can say, there is another way. Money to buy a camera will be given by me to you. Or you can say, money will be given to you to buy a by me to buy a camera. There are 3 ways. Right. Is it clear, children?
Yeah.
See,
Yes.
I will give you money to buy a camera. Then the money will be
Given to you to buy a camera by me.
to. Yes, give me your answer. What is it? Tell me. Yes, tell me, yes. Anybody who would like to, if you have any problems, ask me, children. Don't worry. The last sentence is a bit tricky, right? So I want you to make it clear. Be clear with that. Object comes first, money. Then the usual add-in part will be give becomes given, money will be given. To whom? To you. For what? To buy a camera. If you want, who gives the money? If you want to mention that, by me. Or you can say, money will be given to buy a camera to you by me. Any meaning, first you get the clear meaning of the active voice sentence. First look at the active voice sentence, get the clear meaning. who is doing the action, why doing the action, who is being done, what is being done. You have to make it clear, then you have to turn it to passive voice. Okay, children. Now, do you think you can cope with passive voice future? Is it clear for you? Is that clear enough?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's move to the next part. That is how to ask questions with future passive. How to ask questions with future passive. Okay, look at this example. Again, I am revising. Kamal will make a kite tomorrow. Kamal will make a kite tomorrow. Who is making the kite?
By Kamal.
Kamal. Subject is Kamal. What is the object?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. Then we are going to bring kite to the subject position, to the front. Subject position. Kite. A kite. Then will be, make becomes made. That is the passive, past participle. A kite will be made by Kamal. Right? Now let's see how to turn this to question form. Let's turn this to question form. See, in forming question form, to form a question, you have to bring will to the front. Will to the front. Will a kite, only will is taken to the front, the others are left as they were, the other words. Will a kite be made? Not will be, will is taken to the front, so will a kite be made by Kamal tomorrow? If you want, you can put by tomorrow. So not by tomorrow. Will a kite be made by Kamal? Will a kite be made by Kamal? Is it clear? Let's move to the second example.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay. We'll move to the second example. With this, it will become more clear for you. He will be asked 2 questions. He will be asked 2 questions.
Will he be asked to play?
Yes. To form the question. So how are you going to ask what is going to happen? You have to turn it to question form. Will, this only this part, will is taken to the front. Will, then the others are left as they are. Will he be asked 2 questions? Children, you have to do only to take will to the front. Will he be asked 2 questions? Is that clear for you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
Shall we
teacher.
do some activity? Shall we try again
Okay.
with some activity? This is
Okay.
activity.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Turn the following sentences, following passive voice sentences into question form. We are going to ask sentences, turn the sentences into question form. First one, I'll give you more time, right? The thieves will be arrested. Thieves will be arrested. Slowly turn that to question form. That is a passive voice sentence.
Will the thieves be arrested? Thieves be arrested.
Good,
Will the thieves be arrested?
good,
Will the thieves be arrested?
good. Yes. So, will is taken to the front. Will the thieves be arrested? By police, I have forgotten this to type it here. By police, right? The by police should come here. The thieves will be arrested by police should come here. I have forgotten to put that, right? Anyway, will the thieves be arrested? Right? Okay, we'll move to the next one. Schools will be reopened soon. Schools will be reopened soon.
Miss, can I give the answer?
Yes. Yeah, okay, Okita.
Will the school be reopened soon?
Yes, another one, good. Another one.
Will schools be open soon?
Yes, good. Another one.
Will schools be reopened soon?
Schools be
Yes, yes.
reopened soon.
Good.
Will schools be reopened soon?
Good. Yes. Okay. Will is taken to the front. Will schools be reopened soon? Will schools be reopened soon? Shall we move to the next one? Vegetables will be bought from the fair. Vegetables will be bought.
vegetables be bought from the fair?
Will vegetables be bought from the fair?
Will the vegetable bought from the fair?
Yes, yes. The others also have to give the answer.
Will vegetables be bought from the fair?
Yes, very good. I'm happy with your answers.
Will vegetables be bought from the fair?
Hmm. Yes, see. Will vegetables be bought from the fair? Then we move to the next one. Many elephants will be taken for the Perahara. Many elephants will be taken for the...
Will many elephants be taken for the Perahara?
Yes. The others?
Will many elephants be taken for the Perahara?
Will the many
Yes.
elephants taken from the Perahara?
Good. Okay. Will many elephants be taken for the Perahara? My last question. Students will be given online lessons by teachers.
Will the students
Will
be
the
given
students
online
Will the
lessons
be
by
given online
teachers?
lessons by
Be
teachers?
given online lessons to teachers.
Yes. You all should try answering the questions, right? The others, I want to hear their voices. Unmute, answer, then mute again. The others?
The online lessons. Will the online lessons
Yes, yes, tell me. See, I said informing questions. Informing questions, you have to bring only will to the front. This will only, this is all you have to do. Will should be taken to the front. Will students be given
Will
online lessons by teachers? You don't have to take online lessons to the front. You don't have to take online lessons to the front. I'll tell you in Sinhala. මේ online lessons කියන එක ඉස්සරහට ගේන්න ඕනේ නෑ මෙතනදී. මොකද ඔයා ඉන්නේ දැනටමත් passive voice sentence එකක. මම ඔයාට passive voice sentences තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔයා මෙතන තියෙන online lessons කියන object එක ඉස්සරහට ගේන්න කරදර වෙන්න ඕනේ නෑ. ඔයාට තියෙන්නේ මේ passive voice sentence එක question form එකට. මේක ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන විදිහට ෆෝම් කරන්න තියෙනවා. ඒකට ඔයාට තියන්නේ you have to bring will to the front. will එක ඉස්සරහට ගේන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. will එක ඉස්සරහට ගෙනාවහම see will students be given online lessons by teachers? By teachers. Will students be given online lessons by teachers? Did you understand? Now children, if you have any question, any problem with this, ask me. Ask me. පැහැදිලි නැත්තනක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Okay. Then shall we go to the next one? Yes? Anybody? Right. We'll move to the next one. So, up to now we have talked about turning active voice sentences into passive voice sentences, then turning question form passive voice. Questions, how to ask questions in passive voice. Those two I covered. We did those two. Now we are going to form negative sentences. Negative form, how to turn the sentences into negative form. This is my last point. Right? See, what you have to do is, where there is will, you have to put not. Will becomes will not. Will becomes will not. The shortened form for will not is want. Will not, want. දෙකම එකයි. will තියෙන තැනට not දාන්න තමයි ඔයාට තියෙන්නේ negative form එක. නැත්ත කියන අර්ථය ලබා දෙන්න. Right? Look at this example. He will be asked 2 questions. He will be asked 2 questions. Tell me, is this an active voice or passive voice sentence? This sentence, active voice or passive voice? Tell me.
Passive voice.
Really?
Passive voice.
Yes. That is passive voice sentence. He will be asked 2 questions. Then, as I told you earlier, will not, will, where there is will, you just have to put not. Only what you have to do is to put not after will. See, he will not be asked 2 questions. He will not be asked 2 questions. Or you can say he won't be asked. What is that noise? He will not be asked 2 questions.
He won't be asked 2 questions.
He won't be asked 2 questions. That is the shortened form. Right. We'll move to the second example. A kite will be made by me. A kite will be made by me. Where there is will, you just have to put not. Then see, will becomes will not.
Kite will
Yes, say it. Yes. A kite
will not
be made by me. A kite will not be made by me. A kite will not be made by me. Right. We'll do some activity, simple activity. Turn the following sentences into negative form. My first sentence. The thieves will be arrested. The thieves will be arrested. Turn this to negative form.
The
thieves
thieves
won't
won't
be
be
arrested.
arrested.
The thieves won't be arrested.
Yes.
The
The
thieves
others
won't be arrested.
won't be arrested. The others, you all have to
The
answer.
thieves will not be arrested.
Good,
The thieves won't be arrested.
good.
The thieves will not be arrested.
Mhm.
Thieves won't be arrested.
Thieves will not be arrested. The should be here, right? The thieves will not be arrested. Good. We'll move to the next sentence. Schools will be reopened soon.
Schools will not be reopened soon. Schools will not be reopened soon.
Not be reopened soon. Schools,
reopened soon.
yeah, the shortened form.
Schools
Schools
won't
will
be reopened.
Schools won't be reopened soon.
soon.
Okay, we'll move to the next sentence. Vegetables will be bought from the fair.
Vegetables won't be bought.
Will not be bought from the fair.
Vegetables won't be bought from the fair. Vegetables. That is not vegetables, that's vegetables, right? Vegetables. Vegetables will not be bought from the fair. Say children.
Vegetables will not be bought from the fair.
Yes. Another one. Somebody else?
Vegetables will not be
Vegetables won't be bought from the fair.
Yeah. Very good.
Won't be bought from the fair.
Good.
Vegetables will not be bought from fair.
Somebody has raised the hand. Anybody need to ask a question? No. Then we are moving to the next one. Sentence 4. Many elephants will be taken for the Perahara.
Many elephants
Many elephants won't.
will not be taken for the
Be taken from the fair.
Yes. Many elephants. Okay. The others also have to answer.
many elephants won't be taken for the
Taken
Perahara.
from fair.
Yes. Many elephants won't be taken for the Perahara. My last sentence. Students will be given online lessons by teachers.
Children won't.
given online lessons by teachers.
Will not be given online lessons by teachers. By teachers. Yes.
Students won't be given online lessons by teacher.
Students won't be or will not be given online lessons by teachers. Okay, children. Good. Good effort. Now, that's all we have to learn in passive future. Today, I discussed with you how to turn an active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. Active voice to passive voice. That is number 1 we learned. Number 2 is how to make questions in passive form. How to make questions in passive form. That is number 2. Number 3 is how to express negative ideas in passive voice. How to turn passive voice into negative form. That is number 3. Those 3 points we discussed. I'll release the video of this, since we have recorded, we will release the video. With the video, you can do these activities again. You can do the activities, right? Do them on your writing book. Do the activities on your writing books, right? So
English නැති දන්නේ පටන් ගන්න. Passive voice ගැන තමයි කියලා දෙන්න. Negative ගැන.
right.
මට නම්
See,
ඔබේ
on your pupils
page
book, page number 77 and 78.
කරලානේ කියන පොත්.
77. There is an activity, activity 6. Change the following sentences into passive. Omit the doer if it is not necessary. The doer you can mention, or sometimes if you don't want to, you can just omit. Right? Don't write. So that activity is do as homework. Do that as homework, right? Then on page 78, activity 7, grammar. Netula was given the following topic to speak at the quiz competition. If you are elected as the president of the country, following are certain extract from his speech. See, with the bold letters and underlined phrases, they show you will be implemented, will be imposed, will be prohibited, will be launched, will be given. See, they all are passive future. If I were the president. Right? Imagine that you are going to speak on the same topic and write your own speech. The similar structure as highlighted above. So children, this is a nice activity you can do. Do that, right? Imagine that you are going to be elected as the president. What are you going to do? You can use active voice sentences. I will do this. Active voice දාන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් active voice විතරක් දානකොට ඒක හරියම now you are in grade 9. You have to use passive voice too. You can say schools will be open at 8 o'clock and will be closed at will be right? Passive voice. Use passive voice.
දුඩි පුතා
Right?
මේකේ sound එන්නේ නැහැ මාත්‍යෝ.
So remember children, you have to use what you learned here as the 3 grammar points and do this activity. I hope that you have very good ideas. Write them on your notebook. Write them in your writing book, right? And when you get the video, please copy down the examples and the note I've given you. Take it down as a note. That is useful for you. And then do the activities we practiced here with the slides, with looking at the video, right? So you can do the 2 activities. I hope you grasp the idea of passive future. I hope you got it correctly and clearly. And I wish you luck with your activities, doing activities. Thank you very much for joining, children. Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher, bye.
Thank you, teacher. Good night, teacher.
Thank you,
Good
teacher.
night.
Thank you, teacher. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Good night.
Good night, teacher.